In these times, when profitability is always on the line, Sage X3 keeps your discrete manufacturing operations running smarter. Use Sage X3 to optimize your efficiency, manage capacity, reduce costs, and improve cash flow. When you do, you streamline the management of every process from supply chains to inventory to returns. You also accelerate the flow of financial information from costing to pricing to payment. And those compliance requirements and audits? Now you can respond to them with confidence and speed. Maybe the best part, you can do it all anywhere, anytime, on any device. In fact, the customizable components of Sage X3 integrate all your business processes and third-party applications to produce better data, leading to better results and higher profits. Find out more at sage.com/us/SageX3Tour.